In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to turn off sound effects on Duolingo. Well, it's really simple and straightforward, so let's get right into it. So, first thing first, let's go to the profile page like this. You want to click on this icon, and then at the top right corner, you're going to see an gear icon, which will take us to the settings page. You want to click on that and scroll down until you find the general section. Here, you're going to see an option called sound effects. You want to click on that, and it's going to be disabled. So now all that remains is you want to click on the save button at the top right corner in order to save your changes, and that is it, guys. This is how you turn off sound effects on Duolingo. Like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.